The gentleman from Ohio is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Yield 2 minutes to the gentleman from New Jersey, a longtime champion for the pro-life cause, Mr. Smith.
I thank my good friend for yielding, and I thank Ann Wagner for
The gentleman from New Jersey is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you. Madam Speaker, in a Florida abortion clinic, Stockloria Williams delivered a live baby girl at 23 weeks. The clinic owner took the baby, who was gasping for air, cut her umbilical cord, threw her into a biohazard bag, and put the bag in the trash. Heartbroken, Ms. Williams later had a funeral for her baby girl, who she named Shanice. CNN has reported since that Ms. Williams suffers PTSD from that ordeal. Madam Speaker, why are these live births from abortion little known? Dr. Willard Cates, former head of the Centers for Disease Control Abortion Surveillance Unit, said several years ago, and I quote him, "Live births are little known because organized medicine, from fear of public clamor and legal action, treats them more as an embarrassment to be hushed up than a problem to be solved. It's like turning yourself into the IRS for an audit," he went on. "What is there to gain? The tendency is not to report because there are only negative incentives." Madam Speaker, Philadelphia abortionist Kermit Gosnell, one of the few who got caught, and it was under a state law, not federal, and many states don't have such laws. He was convicted for murder, for killing children who were born alive after attempted abortions. The grand jury report described it in this way, and I quote, "Gosnell had a simple solution for the unwanted babies he delivered. He killed them. He didn't call it that. He called it ensuring fetal demise. The way he ensured fetal demise was by sticking scissors in the back of the baby's neck and cutting the spinal cord, a practice he called snipping. The Born Alive Abortion Survivors Protection Act seeks to end or at least mitigate this egregious child abuse by requiring that a health care provider must exercise the same degree of professional care, diligence to preserve the life of that child as they would a child of similar age. The bill empowers the woman upon whom the abortion is performed to obtain appropriate civil relief. And I'm sure had it been available then, Ms. Williams would have done that as well. This is humane, pro-child, human rights legislation.